Welcome to Digital Learning Cinco de Mayo style. Let's talk a little bit about your lessons for today. All right, today you will, if you have not completed your writing assignment, either today you will complete it or continue working on it. The video for that assignment is up here under Monday, right there. In phonics, you're going to watch another phonics video talking about silent consonants and do an episode of Headsprout. In reading, you're going to continue reading and working on that same standard that we started yesterday, learning about how not only words but also pictures give you information. The reading video is right here. It will go over the answers from yesterday's assignment and give you a new assignment for today. That assignment can be found at the bottom here under Tuesday, but it can also, you could either print it out or you can work on it in your notebook, just writing the answers in your notebook. And we'll go over that, the answers to that tomorrow. Today you're going to be doing 2 books on Level Up, on RazKids, and taking the quiz on that. One thing that I wanted to show you that I wasn't sure that a lot of you knew about was Epic. So if you have not yet logged into Epic, I'm going to show you a little bit about that. So to read books on Epic, if you have not explored that, you will log into Clever. Then it will ask you, it will show you H2Petro's page. Whether you are in yellow group or green group, any group, you'll click on H2Petro's page. Then you will see right over here, Epic, and then it has a code, ARR6477. When you click on Epic, it will ask you to put in that code. When you put in that code, it will take you to all of the different books in Epic. You will find your name, all of your names will be there, and then you will explore some of the books on Epic. So what we'll say, enter your class code right there under student login. The code is right here on the app, ARR6477. Type that in, ARR6477. Oh, and then it says right there, Mrs. DePietro's class. And then it will log you in. You will find your name. And after you find your name, then you will just start reading. You can type in by author, you can type in by title, you can type in different genres like sports or weather, or you can just scroll and look and see what they have. There are different popular series. There are chapter books on here. There are graphic novels on here. Lots of different books to explore. So if you have not yet explored Epic, you might want to do that. It's free until the end of June, so we're able to use it at least till the end of June. I hope you guys have a great day learning. If you need me for anything, if you need some help with your writing, if you're not sure what to do with the reading, I'm happy to help you. Just send me an email. Have a great day. Bye.